Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you another variation of this stylish bugle beads project that I already showed you, earrings and bracelet. And these are made with bugle beads and bicones, but instead of bicones, if you don't have bicones, you could use round beads. Here I'm using 4mm and 6mm. You could try them with round beads if you don't have bicones, and it's not difficult to make. I'm showing really easy step by step everything that you do, so I'm sure you're gonna be making them. And if you see the closed projects to this one, I will link them at this eye icon on the right top corner. So if you like what I'm showing you here and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment. And I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. And now I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are bicones. These are 4mm and these are 6mm. You could use Swarovski or you could use Czech beads or other brand, whatever you like. And you will need bugle beads. These are 7mm long, and I'm using two colors of seed beads, white and silver, and here I'm using 8/0 white beads, ear wires, beading needle size 10, and I'm using here monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters, and I'm using scissors and flat nose pliers to squeeze my monofilament to go through size 10 beading needle. But if you use different beading thread, you won't need the pliers to squeeze it, so these are not obligatory. And now I'm going to start by taking about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have about half an arm span of thread on my needle, and I'm going to start by picking up 4 white beads. Okay, and I have my 4 here, and I'm going to slide them down almost until the end of my thread, and I'm going to make a knot here. Okay, I will make it by first I will make a loop, and then I will go with my tail thread twice through the loop I've made. Then I'll make sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started my knot from, and I'm going to pull. So this is it. This is surgeon's knot or half hitch knot that I'm making here. And what I'm going to do is go through the following seed bead. And you could go around one more time, reinforcing this part if you want, if you feel it's not tight enough. Okay, and now I will take one of these beautiful beads here, bicones, and in my next step I will take again white seed bead. I will slide it down, and then I will skip it and I will go back through the bicone and through the seed bead. Okay, and I will take one more bicone and one more seed bead, sliding those down, skipping the seed bead and going through the bicone and through the seed bead and pulling. And then I need one bicone, one seed bead, sliding it down, going back through the bicone and through the following seed bead. Okay, pulling. Then one more time, bicone, seed bead, slide it down and go through the bicone, through the seed bead and through the following bicone. pulling. Okay, now I'm going through the seed bead here, and what I need to take in my next step is one bugle bead, and I'm going through the following seed bead, just like that. And then guys, I'm going to repeat this 3 more times. Okay, and this is what I have here. And in my next step, what I want to do is go through this bicone, take one more bicone and go back through the same bicone and through the following seed bead, just like that. Okay, now I'm exiting out of this seed bead, and what I want to do is take 3 seed beads and go back in circle through this one here. Okay, just like that. Then go through the bicone. And what I need here is one more bugle. Go back through the bugle and through the seed bead here. Okay, I'm pulling, and I need 3 more seed beads, going back through this white one here and through the bugle, just like that. And I will show you faster now. Okay, I'm flipping my work like this. Now I'm exiting out of here, and what I want to do is go through the next bugle, take one more bugle bead, then go back through this bugle here, pulling, then go through these 3 seed beads, and through the next bugle, just like that. Then take one more bugle, go back through this bugle, and then through these 3 seed beads again. And again. Okay, if I'm showing it too fast at times, pause this video or rewind it and you will see how I'm making it. Now I will flip my work and I'm going through this bugle, so I'm exiting out of this bugle and I'm going through the other one, just like that. And what I might need here is one A-toe, and I'm taking my A-toe and going through this middle seed bead here, then one more A-toe and through the bugle. Okay, and in this row I'm going to repeat this 3 more times. Okay, and now I'm here and I will start my next row. And for my next row I need silver, white, silver. So this is what I have, and I'm going through this white one. Okay, and I'm going to repeat this 2 more times. sorry, 3 more times. Okay guys, and now I want to exit here at the top of my earring, and what I want to do is take 3 silver seed beads, and I have them, and I will go back through them, and I want to do this one more time. Okay, then here what I need to take are 2 seed beads, and as I'm exiting here at the top, I'm going back in circle through the same bead I'm exiting out of, and I will go back through these 2 seed beads, and then back through this one here. Then I need 1 bicone, sliding it down, 1 seed bead, slide it down as well, then skip it and go through the bicone and through the other seed bead. Then I'm going through this seed bead here, and I'm pulling, and I need to add 6 seed bead. Okay, and I have my 6 here, and I'm going through this middle one, just like that, and now it's easier for me to flip like this, and now I need 6 more. Okay, I have my 6, and now I'm going through this silver in this direction, just like that, then back through this one in the center, and one more time through all of my white beads here. And through this as well. And here in the middle. Okay, and I need 1. Then I'm taking this ear wire and I'm sliding this down. Then I need 1 more silver, and I'm going back through this one. So 1, my ear wire, and 1 more. So when I pull, I have this. And what I need next is go 3 times around this joint here, reinforcing. Okay, and now I'm here, and I will make a loop, and I'm going once, then I'm going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will repeat this several more times, and when I'm ready I will cut my thread. But never cut your thread next to a knot. Always go through the following seed bead and then cut your thread. Okay, I did only 2 knots, you could do more. Okay, and I'm cutting here. And now my earring is ready. Okay guys, so now both of my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.